Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
In 2023 Banastarim fatal accident case, Chargesheet has been filed by the crime branch before the Honda JMFC court. In over 1,100 paged Chargesheet, police has named 7 accused, including the prime accused Paresh and advocate Amit Palekar. The police in the charge sheet has contended that on the fateful evening, the accused driver Paresh knowingly under influence of alcohol drove his car in rash and negligent manner, which resulted in the accidents involving many vehicles, and in which that accident 3 innocent lives were lost. The crime branch in the charge sheet about the role of other accused have stated that advocate Amit Palekar and other co-accused attempted to change the driver and to save the main accused Paresh. And for that, all the accused have been charge sheeted under various sections of IPC, Motor Vehicle Act and Motor Vehicle Driving Regulations. This case was initially registered by Mardol police station, but later this case was transferred to crime branch, and the now crime branch has filed the charge sheet. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.